I have called them, I have asked them, I have pleaded with them. No, let him clarify. I want him to be here because he's the one who accused me. It's good to be honest and open.
When I was called to meet you, I was told to head to Kakunywe Mulatina. I don't do that. Au tukakule nyama. So don't accuse me, please. Sina ubaya na wewe.
Hapa hatukuja vita. Hatukuja kutengeneza uadui hapa. Hapa tumekuja kila mtu atoe maoni yake. Maoni vile yako yameweza kunakiliwa hapa.
You should be able to know where to place a project. We don't object it. We love it. But it will affect us. And it is also affecting us now. And now we say, and we say with a big loud voice, that we reject this totally. We have rejected it.
Mimi naweza wa encourage committee members mkae chini. Ni vizuri hata tunakuja na mabango meandika, wengine wana reject, wengine wana support. Lakini tukitoka hapo, hiyo ndio itatusaidia. Si tukae chini tusikizane.
The section that part of the petition came to us, and the reason why we also came to site and asked them to halt until we have this discussion is the section that is in the process of approval, and that's why this engagement is also to look at that particular request which they have put across to us.